Surprisingly, parakeets are a habitat dominator. They achieve this through secondary cavity nesting, in which they bully smaller birds out of their homes and steal the hollowed out sections of trunk that they have made. Because of this, they can evict smaller native species such as starlings and woodpeckers, robbing them of their homes and taking hold of the natural resources within that area. As you would expect, this is having a generally negative impact on the local environment, with studies showing that populations are declining in native species. However, some research does suggest that there are positives to having parakeets within an urban landscape, mainly as they are bringing tourists into green spaces and are improving the public's care for British wildlife.